sneaker fan, welcome back to Replica Showcase, where we bring you the hottest replica kicks on the market. Today we are diving into one of the cleanest and most hyped colorway in the Jordan lineup, the Air Jordan 4 Nitro University Blue. This pair catch me off in the best way possible. The quality, the detail and the overall build are simply next level. If you are thinking about copying a pair that looks and feels just like retail, you are going to want to stick around of this one. Right out of the box, the pair command attention. The University Blue suede upper is buttering, soft and feel premium to the touch. You have got the classic knitting on the side panel and tongue. Check out single cement grey accent on the heel tab, islet and part of the midsole. They really bring out that OG flavor while giving it a modern standout look. The Jumpman over the blue background and the sole has that perfect balance of grip and comfort. Now let me tell you where I got this pair from. obosneakers.com. If you are in the replica game, you have probably. They are one of the top online store for the high quality replica sneaker, offering a wide variety of models including Jordan, Yeezys, Dunks and more. Their attention to detail is incredible. Prices are competitive and they ship worldwide fast, and seriously, I was honestly impressed with how smooth the whole ordering process was. Their site is user friendly and the product photo are crystal clear, and the team provide excellent customer service. Let's talk comfort. This University Blue Force is exactly what you would expect from a quality replica. Sportive, well padded and comfortable enough for all day wear. I want to size on this pair and it fit perfectly. No heel, no tongue crush, just clean. So there you have it, the Air Jordan 4 University Blue from obosneaker.com, and I am honestly shocked at how good they are. If you are looking to add some, I highly recommend it. Check out them. I have dropped the link to obosneaker.com in the description box below. So make sure to tap that. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to Replica Showcase for more unboxing review and all things sneaker. Catch you in the next one. Peace.